car was broken, we had to stay in the Dolomites some more days, waiting for it to be fixed. So instead of leaving on Saturday, we left on Tuesday, which allowed us to continue to explore the region on Sunday. We found a few trails to nearby peaks around the hotel, and off we went. Oh, here we are, another day in the Dolomites, and the sun is shining, it's beautiful, and yeah, we're going to go exploring. I'm scared again.
You are scared? Why you are scared again? There is no reason to be scared.
Oh, because he always says it's easy, and it's not. It's easy for him, but not for me. And I can't even get my stick out. Now we see our friends, the Italian cows, and they seem to have smaller bells than the Swiss ones. So maybe I have to move in a different language. They're a very religious area here with all their crosses. Even up at the mountain yesterday, there's a cross with Jesus on it.
Yeah.
So it's lovely. We have noticed that in this region, every small village or group of houses has its own small church or chapels. They suddenly appear with their sharp bell towers, always in the middle of a magnificent landscape. This is the church Chiesa di Santa Magdalena in Italian. Legend says that during a storm, a statue of Saint Magdalene miraculously appeared at the place where the church was later built. The statuette is still inside. The first official inscription of the church dates back to 1394.
You can see here the difference between Italy and Switzerland. In Switzerland you cannot really see trees laying down like this. They clean everything quickly. Yeah, the beginning is quite steep, even if there is no snow. I have a beautiful Dolomite mountains, small one, and here green valley.
Oh, it's lovely up
Huh?
At this place between 1531 and 1533, when the Lutheran religion was forbidden, its disciples gathered there to pray. We arrived at the crossroads. On the return road, we took the other path, which is longer but less steep. The view is magnificent over the valley. Snow begins and the path is rather steep. We need to be careful on the way down. It is very slippery. Wow, it's beautiful here. We're going up and up through the forest to the top. We can hear a woodpecker up in the trees. It's really loud.
We are at 1,900 meters exactly. The place is beautiful. It's time to take out the drone.
We have just passed a young Italian couple who will take the Günther Messner path in the opposite direction to us to return to Santa Magdalena.
It's amazing. It's Tulln where we go.
Yeah.
Tulln. 2 hours. We will arrive soon to the first small summit. I don't know its name.
We leave the shadow of the forest and now take full advantage of the beautiful sunny day. The view is just, wow, breathtaking. The Dolomites over there. You sort of come up over the slope.
We have joined the Günther Messner path and arrive on a crest which reveals a magnificent view of the geyser room.
Oh, we're just so lucky because not a lot of people can come to such magnificent places and experience all of this. It's just incredible. drone has crashed. Luckily it didn't go too far down. 3 times now, it's 3 or 4 times it's crashed now. I said let's hope it's okay.
But it's still not too bad, but
Don't
completely wet.
Yeah, don't try it again at the moment. We had wanted to go up through that gap up there. It would have been beautiful to see actually where we want to go to. Here the path makes a turn to head towards the top of Tulln. 1 hour 30 is indicated, but it would take us much longer to reach the summit because of the wintry conditions.
They go down.
That we don't have to make the tracks in the deep snow again like we did 2 days ago. It's still quite hard going though.
There is one condition. We are not sure that they arrived to the summit.
Oh no, we can ask them.
Yeah, we will ask.
Because they're coming down, so...
Yeah. We crossed a couple and they went to the summit. So it's good because we will have a path ready for us. But they said that it will be difficult to get to the summit because the snow is very deep. But we are used to. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we are used to.
We know what it's like.
It's not a deep snow which will stop us.
No.
2,279 and the summit is, if I remember well, under 500 meters. Yeah, it's too easy today, huh? I think something must be harder later.
We crossed another couple who were from Poland. It was a good opportunity for me to speak in my mother tongue. They said that they went only another 200 meters because the snow got too deep.
Wow, so beautiful. Finally see the trail to the top. Although several people have taken it, they were all using snowshoes. The hardest part remains. We must pave the route ourselves as we have no snowshoes.
You are really great.
I don't feel safe. I decide to wait until Bob gets to the top. I don't want to slow him down.
Arriving at the pass, I see the summit that we climbed 2 days ago, but today the weather conditions are much better.
Tulln.
The summit ridge is not difficult, but the fact that it's frozen and snowy makes it dangerous. I need to be very careful, especially on the way down. Even if it's a small summit, it's still a pleasure to conquer it.
You can see Ka waiting for me. But it's okay now it's easy. So I did the summit
Well done.
for us.
I'm so glad. It's time to go down. A long road is still ahead of us and it's quite late.
Huh?
The sun begins to set. We take the last images with a completely different light. It's as if we were rediscovering this place. We are finishing our last hike of this day in the Dolomites. We have lots of unforgettable memories. We will certainly be back soon to discover other mountains and places of this fantastic region. We will once again finish our trek in the dark. We are starting to get used to it. Luckily, we have headlights with us. Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed the video.